I'm in shock right now. Hey y'all, it's BRIJOURNAL. Welcome to my channel if you are new, and if you guys enjoyed this video, I hope you guys consider being a part of the family by boosting that subscribe button. We're going to be doing a SHEIN wig install today, so I'm really excited to see how that turns out. This is the box that it came in. They are stating right off the bat it's 100% human hair, so let's try to do a first impressions on this wig. So in the box I have a wig cap. It matches my skin tone perfectly. I've seen a lot of wigs, they have the HD wig cap, but this is just a regular wig cap. Wig comes in a bag. So this is her. This is a 20-inch curly 4x4 closure wig. As you can see, here's the closure. I don't think it's HD lace, but that is fine. I really want to go for a really natural look. I don't want to glue it on my head per se. I want it to be a glueless install. The wig I'm wearing right now is from Amazon. It is the BRIJOURNAL wig. It's a closure wig, and I believe it is 24 inches. I like it a lot. I personally really love closure wigs. I watch Chelsea J, and she says that she hates closure wigs. She's more of a frontal girl, but I'm a closure girl. I love me a good closure because you can just plop it on and just be done. So I'm excited to see how this one is. I usually go for a 5x5. This is a 4x4, so we'll just see, you know, how that works out. The wig has not been washed, but I honestly just want to plop it on my head because the curls are amazing, and we can just wet it as we go. I'm also going to show you guys some inspo pics of what I want this wig to look like, so I'm really excited to see. Let's get into the video. So I'm going to take this off my head and put this new girl on, and let's see how she looks. Do y'all see this? Oh my gosh. Wow, I feel like I don't even have to do anything to it, to be honest with you. Just straight out the package. I'm definitely not going to bleach the knots because I don't really want to part in it anyway. So I'm just gonna tilt it over to the side. I want more of a side part. But y'all, do you see this? It's layered and everything. OMG. I'm loving it. This is so cute. It's definitely giving summer. This might be the fastest wig install in history. So let's cut this off.
Shawty rock to the beat for your boy. Shawty, yeah, do it, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer, killer, killer. Shawty clap it, shawty tight it. Should skate it all night it. With you, with you. I missed you, that picture. Now it's time I get back up with you, girl, with you. Oh yeah. We used to kick it up at the park, but now she's all grown up. Rockin' them stilettos, jumping up out of that Mercedes truck. Ooh, it was Keisha, it was Sonya, it was Tanya, it was Monique, it was easy, it was Kiki. Hey, now to see you at 23, all I can say is, hey, man, I don't need no hook for the shit. On my shirt from when she hugged me, hard as a rock when she touched me. You know, cause she would've loved me. What it is, what it ain't, tell me what to do. I know I'm late, but destiny brought me back to you. I went I turned you into a butterfly. I'm here to say hello, tell your nigga goodbye. It was Keisha, it was Sonya, it was Tanya, it was Monique, it was easy, it was Kiki. Hey, now to see you at 23, all I can say is, man, tell 'em. Shorty right there, shit, shorty,
didn't have to pluck it. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to do any of that. The fact that I could plop it on my head and take a little bit of my edges out is 10 out of 10. Like 10 out of 10. I put a little bit of water on my hair as well as some conditioner, and that is all I did. I am in shock right now. The fact that I didn't have to do anything to this hair right off the bat, I love it. So that means further down the line, I'm gonna love it even more because I can customize it to where I feel it fits best. 10 out of 10. Let me tell you guys exactly how much this wig costs because I'm in shock right now. This wig costs $79. $79 for a human hair wig. It's a closure. I didn't have to do anything to it. It's 20 inches. I didn't have to cut it. I didn't have to layer it. I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't have to pluck the hairline. Y'all, and my hair, like backstory, my hair is like this short. So I just had to take a little bit of my edges out. And if you have longer hair, I feel like you can probably shift the wig back a little more and take out more hair just for an even more realistic look. But I love it. I did try another SHEIN wig a while ago that was curly, and I didn't really like the curl pattern, but I love this curl pattern because it's not too tight, it's not too loose. It kind of matches my hair texture perfectly, so I love this. I will update you guys in my vlog, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you want to keep up with my videos, just so you can see if I decide to cut it a little bit more, layer it a little bit more. But I'm honestly going to leave it alone because I like how it looks right now. This is the perfect summer wig, so I'm really excited to wear this. This is just going to be my plop on out in the town summer wig. And I really like it. So let me know how you guys feel down below. Would you try this wig out? Do you like it on me? If you don't want to, I'm in shock right now, y'all. I love this wig. I love this wig. I'm in the mirror just checking myself out. Let me shift it back a little bit more. I love this. Love this. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm gonna wear it out and let you guys know if the strangers out in the town realize that this is a real hair, or if I get any compliments on this. But yeah, y'all, I didn't have to dye this wig black. It already came in this dark color. I just cannot stop listing why you need to get this wig. And I did buy this wig with my own money, so let's keep that in mind. This is my honest opinion. I don't have anything to lose, so I'm just trying to put y'all onto a good find, because this is definitely a good find.
The next day.
Okay, y'all, so I showed y'all the hair kind of wet still, and in my thumbnail it's completely dry, but I decided to put some flexi rods in it, so we're gonna see what it looks like when I take these out. So let's see how they look. Okay, so they're still a little wet, so I'm gonna try to diffuse them, but I'm feeling these curls. So cute. OMG. I'm so glad I didn't cut it. This is so cute. Get my real hair out. OMG. I definitely like the flexi rods better than like what I was doing before. So I use gray and one purple. So just gotta go grab you some gray flexi rods if you decide to get this hair, or if you already have a curly wig and want to go for this look. The hair was a little still curly when I was wrapping the flexi rod around it. So I'm pretty sure the curl pattern is mixed in with the flexi rod curl that I have on here, but I'm in shock right now. Like I've been saying, the fact that this was $70, I just had to take my edges out. Here's a close-up. I'm pretty sure you can see a little bit of tracks, but child, I don't really care. But let me see if I can like move a hair a certain way to cover that line up. Yeah, can do that. So I just have a little bit of my edges, and that's it. I'm gonna do a flexi rod tutorial on one of my vlogs, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you boop that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and comment down below how you feel about this wig, if you plan on getting it. SHEIN really is that girl. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.